Starting around 09 October 2023, Cardano basically is exchanging at 25 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely huge. ADA really has an especially complete market cap of $8,830,703,674, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $101,434,175, exhibiting how ADA in every practical sense has an all-out market cap of $8,830,703,674, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $101,434,175, or so they certainly thought. This really makes Cardano, ADA, sort of positioning at 8 in the digital money market, which essentially is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a really significant way? Is Cardano an essentially wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in an in every practical sense significant way? Will ADA cost basically outperform its unequaled certainly high in a for the most part significant manner? These truly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost generally is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of 34 cents, the normal least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to explicitly be 33 cents, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, ADA can arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of 37 cents incredibly. Cardano value conjecture August 2023, the especially normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could explicitly go to 31 cents toward August 2023 in a kind of significant manners and ADA could generally be exchanging around a very greatest worth of 31 cents, with the exceptionally least expected cost of 28 cents, so ADA has a kind of complete market cap of $8,830,703,674, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $101,434,175, exhibiting how ADA sort of has an all-out market cap of $8,830,703,674, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $101,434,175 in an essentially large manner. Cardano value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the essentially greatest cost for Cardano could explicitly stretch around 33 cents, so these in every way that really matters are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which generally is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 truly is 30 cents, with a fundamentally normal cost of 31 cents in a very significant manner. Cardano value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano explicitly is supposed to essentially be at around a very least of 31 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano cost can arrive at a limit of 34 cents with the in every practical sense normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. Cardano value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano especially is supposed to sort of be at around a very least of 32 cents, sort of additional appearance how Cardano cost can especially arrive at a sort of limit of 34 cents, with the truly normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, in a very significant way. Cardano cost can basically arrive at a for the most part limit of 36 cents, with the fundamentally normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the especially greatest cost for Cardano could sort of stretch around 37 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 generally is 33 cents, with a genuinely normal cost of 34 cents in a kind of large manner. Cardano essentially passed value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been for the most part diminished by 1.93% in its sort of current worth, or so they in every practical sense thought. Assuming we certainly look at the very current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap is likewise down in a significant manner. Cardano by and large is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The ADA basically is down to nearly 6.1% over the most recent 7 days. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past essentially couple of days. The coin could truly have areas of strength, for certainly however, we don't in a real sense imagine that it would a beneficial resource in certainly present moment. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA basically diminished by 43.932%, killing an incredible fundamentally normal amount of 20 cents from its truly current worth, so besides ADA can basically arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of 37 cents, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a kind of good sort of purchase, a potential open door for especially fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 33.85%, and the cost especially coursed from an exceptionally least really normal cost of 37 cents to kind of most extreme exceptionally normal cost of 39 cents in the especially beyond 90 days, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Cardano is somewhere near 6.67%, with the fundamentally greatest kind of typical cost of the coin basically was around 27 cents, and the base exceptionally normal cost of essentially was around 26 cents in beyond 4 months, which explicitly is very critical. Cardano value conjecture 2023 facts. What will for the most part be Cardano worth in 2023 in a genuinely huge manner? The ADA cost generally is determined to generally arrive at a very most extreme degree of 37 cents, with pretty least cost of 33 cents, toward the finish of 2023, in an especially significant manner. Does Cardano in every practical sense have a future, or so they especially thought? As far as value, Cardano basically has a remarkable really potential to sort of arrive at new levels, showing how starting around 09 October 2023, Cardano truly is exchanging at 25 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25% in essentially most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. It basically is estimate that ADA will increment in esteem, so Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost really is supposed to generally cross in every practical sense, normal value level of 34 cents. The normal sort of least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the especially current year ought to for the most part be 33 cents, or so they essentially thought. As indicated by kind of unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Cardano can truly raise a ruckus around town. The most exorbitant cost of $12.87 till 2030, which certainly is very huge. Is Cardano really worth purchasing in 2023, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking? Cardano's worth especially is supposed to generally keep on extending, as lack will in general truly support cost rise, showing how